My first truly distressing experience happened on my journey back home from Delhi. The thought of leaving my luggage behind almost brought me to tears. You see, I had spent nearly half a day carefully selecting those items. I was familiar with the excess baggage charges, but this time the cost was astronomically higher than I had ever expected. The fee for my luggage was more than my flight ticket. I could have taken 2 more trips for what they were asking. The receptionist first told me the amount, 19,000 rupees. My heart sank. In a panic, I frantically removed some clothes and the price dropped to 16,000. From 16, I negotiated it down to 12 by removing more weight. I was running out of options. Then, I had a final desperate idea. I started layering clothes onto myself, one item over another, and decided to carry the rest in my hands. It was uncomfortable, and I must have looked quite strange, but I was determined. Finally, thank God, I managed it. I didn't have to leave a single piece of my luggage behind.
Teman-teman keli Jingbhabok kelihat. Tapi semua kumno sipang itu ke jing peniat tiap sipang aja nyam deh.
Aduh kita yang kabur malu dengan buat saya dari marwai. Ada benda yang kami ngalaki kita dengan tengah sosial.
So kene ke jing jong ki musician. Bun ke jing ngem ju post re for the first time kita sini kong ngen post sipang ke jing bagi kedua kayak.
First time, first episode.
So kene ke jing flight. Lada pira atam kitiar gitar. Kini siapa yang nak arajar. Basi siapa ngadun?
Zainal ni Arben. Ini benar curang.
Lai. Sau teli. So ya ban pangadu sau teli ban duna ke keji ban hiar ke dor ban siu. La kamram ka bai. Baggage banyak ka bai. Banyak ka bai flight. Te bani sini Manisha ni benuat nama di jalan berkoridor.
Jalabian.
Te Jingbhabok, how do you feel? Later, si Jingbhabok, she won't give up.
I will not.
Kani kada jing senang kita baru kibara tam ayu bahab naira. Itu lah biang lah kelap lah sihat pom.
Pulang sini tadi.
Perlu kita position flight mana-mana. Dalam flight dah usia terlatih shwa di dalam kamera kalau kiji dah keli shwa. Entah ya?
Tak beli shwa. Tapi beli orang ni have additional baggage and have there.
Kalau extra charge. Benda ni kabat ni Shah fine ni mana extra charge sama boy. Benda ni boy kan 8,000 je nak surah nak pisting.